Garden of the Fountain, the well of flowing water, a story about faith, courage, and helping others. Caleb was returning home from his military training camp. During the train journey, he kept thinking about one thing: how can I help develop my village? When Caleb reached home on Sunday morning, he greeted his family with joy. But he saw his sister Lillian walking home with a heavy pot of water on her. The village had no nearby water source. Seeing his tired sister made Caleb very sad. At that moment, he made a strong decision. I will not return to my work until my village has water. Caleb went to meet the oldest man in the village. The old man explained that the village was built on a hill. The nearest river flowed 200 feet below the land. The old man said digging a well would be very difficult, but Caleb replied with faith, "Nothing is difficult in the name of Jesus." The next day, Caleb began digging a well in a public place. The ground was hard and full of rocks. After one full day, the well was not even 2 feet deep. Caleb did not give up. He called some friends from a neighboring village. Together they worked day and night digging the well. The church pastor heard about Caleb's effort. He encouraged the villagers to help. Soon many people came together to support the work. Only 2 feet remained to reach water. But suddenly a large rock blocked the well. They had only hammers and an iron rod to break it. The villagers worked together with determination. After many hours, the rock finally broke. Suddenly water burst out from the well. The well overflowed with fresh water. The villagers used it for farming, homes, and daily life. Slowly, the dry village became a beautiful green land. The next year, Caleb returned during Christmas. He could hardly recognize his village. It had grown and prospered. Later, Caleb married the mayor's daughter. After his retirement, the villagers chose him to become their mayor because he truly loved and served his people. One person's faith and hard work can change the entire community. The Bible explains that whoever believes in me, rivers of living water will flow from within them. John chapter 7 verse 38. When we help others with faith in Jesus, our lives become a fountain of blessing. God bless you all.
Garden of fountain, well of flowing water. Oh, to my Father Jesus Christ, for His